Hi there. Today we're going to be focusing on opening up and lengthening your forearms, giving them a nice little stretch and release. We're going to take one stretch here on the right and the left side for about 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and get started. Find a nice comfortable seat where you can sit tall, relax your shoulders away from your ears. Start by stretching your left arm out in front of you. You can roll out your wrists a couple of times just to warm it up. Then press your palm forward towards me. Take your right hand, capture your thumb and all 5 fingers and gently pull your fingers back down towards the floor. If you notice that your elbow bends, maybe lower your arm a little bit and try to push the heel of your palm forward. I'm gonna stay here for about 30 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. If your left shoulder creeps up, can you pull it down? Really feel that length of your shoulder, your spine, and all the way out through your hand. Good, we're almost there. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, roll it out, let your fingers come down and out. Shake it out through your shoulder, and let's take it to the other side. So stretch your right arm forward, roll it out a couple of times, let your fingers come down, up, out. Get some movement there. Then press your palm forward with your fingertips pointing down. Grab your left hand around all 5 fingers, including your thumb, and press your palm forward as you relax your right shoulder down. Breathe in, breathe out. Remember, we're here for about 30 seconds. If you feel your elbow bending, just lower your hand to lower the intensity and really try to find that length of your arm as your right shoulder stays connected to your back. If your thumb slips out, re-grab. Make sure you're pulling back your thumb and your fingers. Good, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, roll out your wrists. And you put your fingers down, out to the side. Shake it out all the way up through your shoulders. Awesome job today. Hope your forearms got a little bit of a release during that stretch. Can't wait to see you next time.